Hello and welcome to another video lecture in complete course by techlatest.net on DanswerAI series. So far we'll cover a lot of things including Dancer AI, overview of Dancer AI and course objectives and introduction and setup and installation of various cloud platforms like AWS, GCP and Azure, how to installation and set up VM. And apart from this, we'll also cover user interface, Dancer user interface, normal user interface, settings of various interface like admin interface and other things. So like in this video, we will talking about overview of data connectors, like what is data connectors in Dancer and how you connect connectors, various connectors, third party apps, and how do operational mechanism in connectors, what is the significance of connectors. So yep, let's start the video. Talking about data connectors, so basically data connectors are third-party apps, or even you can say documents or file, web, or Google site. So these are the connectors. You can directly connect a Dancer with these connectors. For example, you can directly connect Dancer to GitHub and various third-party apps like Notion, Slack, and other Confluence. Yep, moving to the website of Dancer. Uh, so, uh, Yep. So we'll see the connector overview, basic information about connectors. So like what are connectors? It directly hook up the answer to your data sources or the answer are grounded in your organization knowledge. For example, if you connect if you connect Slack to Dancer, so Dancer is directly generate answer in your Slack organization. For example, there are a lot of options are available here like web connector, file connector, Slack connector, GitHub connector. For example, if access knowledge from GitHub repositories. Okay. For example, if you want to access knowledge from your GitHub repository, so you can directly connect Dancer to GitHub or GitHub org or GitHub user ID, and like you can directly get answers from GitHub repositories or knowledge from GitHub repositories. Like how it works, the GitHub connector pick up all of the pull requests and issues in a specified repository, and then it will be indexed both open and close PRs. This includes the title and summary. It will also index issues and comments both open and close, include certain other metadata such as URL creator, etc. Okay, so next we have GitLab connector also here. This, you can directly connect Dancer to GitLab and Confluence, Zira, Google Drive connector, and apart from this, Notion, Zendesk, Microsoft SharePoint connector. So moving to the Dancer UI, you can see here add connector option here in Dancer UI. So like connect Dancer to your organization knowledge source will automatically sync your data into Dancer, so you can find exactly what you're looking for in one place. Okay, so like for example, if you import knowledge from web, okay, if you want to import knowledge from file, if you want to import knowledge from Google site, so these are the options here in Dancer UI. Like you can directly connect or give URL or upload any file, zip file or documents, and then after you can do simple search and chat and find answers. Okay, then here you can see the setup auto syncing from apps, like there are third party apps like Slack, Google Drive, GitHub, Confluence, Jira, Notion, Zendesk, Bootstack, HubSpot, Guru, Zulip, Slap, Product Board, Linear, Request Tracker. There are a lot of options are available here. Okay, and apart from this, like you can directly connect Dancer to this, or like these third party apps. You can directly connect Dancer to this web file Google site and import knowledge from this. So simple, like this is simply called connectors in Dancer. Okay, I will also show you the demonstration in a Dancer UI video, so you can check it out that also for like more knowledge about connector, like how you import knowledge from documents, like and how you import knowledge from web. Like for example, if you give any URL here, for example like this base URL as techlatest.net, medium.com/techlatest.net, I import two URL here, and in if you go on search or chat feature, So you can find all that stuff here like yep. So mm, uh, we will do yes. So like you can see here, we will upload one uh, document or PDF of cold mailing, and you can see the answer like based on the provided document. Has some tips for cold mailing investor. It's simple. You can also search for URL here also. Like for example, if you want to search anything like what are the products of XYZ company, so you get all the answer. Okay, and if you want to uh, import knowledge from like these apps, so simply you have to give access token of your GitHub PRs plus issues, and you have to give repositories access token, and then you can directly integrate your GitHub like GitHub PRs or GitHub repositories or anything, directly integrate anything from here, and directly like you get answer on your GitHub. And apart from this, like Slack or also there. For example, I will show you the Slack example. Okay, you can see here, this is like mhm, how it works. The select current index all the public channel for a given workspace. Okay, and you can do all that stuff. So yep, that's all about the connector in this video. Thank you.